Look how cute my little Easter egg scrunchie is. It's wrapped 3 times, so it's kind of like super out there. Like, look at that distance. It's a high one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan Alleva, and I'm bringing you a fun Jeffree Star video. I can't do his little hi, how are ya, because I just sound stupid and he sounds like cool while he does it, so not gonna do it. We're gonna start off with a little giveaway. Like I said in my video before, I like giving away stuff that has to do with my channel. I have makeup videos, I have Supreme videos, I have shoe videos, a bunch of different videos. So I'm gonna give away a bunch of different little prizes to people. All you have to do to win these prizes are like this video, subscribe to this channel down below. It's free, it's simple, it's easy. 1 click and you're good. And follow me on Instagram. Same thing. All you gotta do is hit follow. Got it? I'm going to be giving away these Jeffree Star metal straws. How nice are these? They're cute, they're pink, there's 4 of them, and they even come with a brush cleaner. Save those darn turtles and the planet. It says be iconic and classy with these Jeffree Star approved custom pink stainless steel and aluminum straws. How cute. These are sold out. So if you want some, your girl got some. Anyway, moving on. I'm really sad because I should have made this video like 3 months ago. I purchased a Jeffree Star highlighter palette and the date on here says 12/15/2018. That makes me so sad. It is still boxed. This is a unboxing. Look, I can't open this. Look, that's taped. We're gonna take my scissors and we're gonna unbox this baby. I have never kept a box taped and unopened this long. It's kind of crazy. I get too eager and I just want to open them. Man, this is being a butthead. Ooh, mint blue tissue paper in here. I purchased the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Northern Lights highlighter palette. I've heard very mixed reviews about the palette. I solely bought it because I live in Alaska and it was inspired by Alaska when he visited. The back says here are 6 blinding new shades inspired by my trips to Alaska with Nathan. We saw the Northern Lights together for the first time years ago and it's one of our favorite places to see them. These shades will make you sparkle and bring out your inner diva. Extreme payoff, vegan, cruelty free. Beauty tip, apply with a brush for medium intensity or directly tap on your fingers for extreme glow. Can be put anywhere you want to bring light or attention to. Okay, bitch. Let's see. We're gonna open it. I love this because I've seen that with my own eyes here in Alaska. I've seen plenty of Northern Lights, but I am gonna throw that box away. Ooh. So there's a little pull tab right here. So I think I can just go like that. Holy shit balls. Alaskan Ice is like just a white, simply, this one right here, simple color. Thawed Out is definitely pink. Below Freezing, obviously like a royal blue color. Arctic Sky, more of like a purpley color. Anchorage, an orange color. And Frozen Gold, obviously gold. This is Alaskan Ice. Yep, the whitish color. The one on my index finger is Thawed Out, the pinkish color. Below Freezing, I'm sorry, I'm not a beauty guru. Frozen Gold. Ooh, these look cool on my fingers. My thumb is Anchorage, which is like the orange color. I guess I gotta switch fingers or hands. Arctic Sky, the purpley one. I should go wipe off my fingers. Those are the 6 colors. Purple, orange, can't really see that one backwards. Blue. Oh my gosh, I'm really stoked to use it because they're like super pigmented on my hands, but I hope they're as pigmented on my face. I would show you, but I already have highlighter on. I kind of wanted to do an unboxing and a finger test, you know? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram to be entered to win Jeffree Star straws, which are sold out. So I will see you guys in my next video.